Hi everyone, back with another review on the SoundPeats Air 5. The Air means no silicon tip on the end of the earbud, essentially. Apple sells a base version of their AirPods that has no silicon tip. Some people prefer it that way without the silicon tip, even though it kind of makes everything sound worse. It does sound like transparency mode on its own. These are the new Apple Airpods 4. They're priced at $129. These SoundPeats Air 5 are priced at $90 on Amazon on release day, October 8th, 2024. Okay, so the case was kind of hard to get out, very stuck together, but it births this earbud case. Anyways, I like this new case. It opens up like the new Samsung Buds Pro case with like a horizontal side cut. It's pretty fancy. Compared to the last Air 4 Lite, this case is actually a nice upgrade versus last year's model. There's no silicon tips, so that compartment's empty, and it comes with a USB-A to USB-C cord. I will say it's a little confusing at first which side is supposed to hinge on, but you do figure it out over time. There's a little lip to help you figure it out. And then on the other side of the case is the instruction manual. And I'm doing it one-handed, so it's kind of hard to open there, but it comes with this little sticker sheet of this little panda bear doing sports, kind of cute, and a accordion style instruction sheet. The most important thing is the instructions for how many taps do what on the earbuds and how to reset the earbuds by pushing and holding the pair button. This is the Air 4 Lite, last year's model, and I'm comparing it to the new model here on the right. So the case is nicer. I do like the updated case. It allows you to pull the earbuds in and out much easier actually versus straight up and down on the old model of the Air 4 Lite. They updated the screen that covers the driver that plays the music. You can see the last year model on the left has a little metal screen with a number of holes in it, maybe 9 holes in it, and they've updated it to a mesh screen similar to the AirPods Pro. But other than that, they're pretty close in design to each other regarding the earbuds. The earbud ergonomics is almost exactly the same in style, in terms of style of earbud. I think they just updated that mesh screen on the end, and the call quality is clearer than the last year's model. I will say I do think they improved the sound quality with this new Air 5 Lite. Air 5. There's no Air 5 Lite, just Air 5. I think these earbud companies are having too many options. Like, no one's keeping track of the Sony XM3, XM4, AirPods 3, 4, AirPods Pro 2. Which ones have silicon tips? Just have like 1 or 2 options and simplify your line. Okay, that's my rant about earbud lineups. Once you open the earbuds, you go into your phone settings and connect them like any other earbud, and the app is called Peats Audio. Once you connect the earbuds, it will find them and it can show you the battery levels here. And then I noticed that it does need to be updated in the app, meaning that the earbud firmware, there's a firmware update available in the app. So if you get these earbuds, update them in the Peats Audio app. And you can also adjust EQ settings in there, but honestly, the open style earbuds without the silicon tips, you really can't tell the difference. Without a silicon tip, the sound isolation really isn't that good. Okay, I've switched over to the SoundPeats Air 5 microphone to give you an example of how it sounds. I do think these earbuds sound okay considering that they don't have silicon tips. Some people prefer their earbuds like that, and that's okay. Overall, what do you think of this microphone though? Thanks for making it to the end of the video.